I'm Alex. This is Go Along with Alex, and let's check the number of logical CPU cores with Rust. I'm going to use cargo and create a new cargo project called CPUs, and let's change into that directory. We're going to be using the num CPUs crate today, and specifically the get method. But let's use num CPUs equals version 1.14.0. Awesome. And now let's update the main.rs and just print out the number of CPUs. So let's replace the string with number of logical cores is, and then we'll pass the num CPUs get method. And that's it. I think my computer is 8. Let's see what we get. Installing the num CPUs crate. 8 cores. And there you have it. We check the number of logical CPU cores with Rust using the num CPUs crate. I'm Alex. This is Go Along with Alex, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.